Let's make an Easter disco centerpiece. A few paper plates, a big Easter bunny, some small Easter bunnies, some small chicks, some disco eggs, some eggs that are covered in yarn, some shred, and, oh, wait, and the part that everyone loves, the candy, and then, of course, your bestie, your AdTech Essential Liberty glue gun. Your first step is to glue multiple layers. I'm going to do 3 of paper plates so that your base is really nice and sturdy. You just want to lay the glue down, and in the center is fine. They really adhere really nice and well. The next thing you want to do is take your largest piece, and in this case I have my Easter bunny, and this is the focal. So I'm going to add some hot glue right to his little bottom. Make sure I get it on there really nice. And then I'm going to center right in the middle of the plate. Your shred will typically come in a bag, and it's going to be really nice and tight. So you want to really spread it apart so that you get all of the use of the shred. Next, I'm actually going to start to add some of the shred. So I'm just going to randomly place the glue, and I'll just start with one section. Don't try to do the whole thing at once because it just will go better if you just try to do it like little sections. Like with this particular plate, like probably in 3s would be best. And so I'll come back in and I'll give little dashes of glue just to kind of get the rim. And I don't think that it's a deal breaker if your paper plate shows, especially if it's color coordinated with the centerpiece. And you can always go back and add more. So now I'm going to start to randomly place my other pieces just to kind of get an idea of where I might want to glue them in place. And these mirrored reflective eggs are like the best things I've ever seen. I just love them. Oh, and by the way, if yours do have a little ribbon, just trim that off. Okay, so yeah, so just randomly, I've got like 2 rabbits, and I know I got a chick. Ooh, look at this blue chick. Oh my gosh, come on. Cute, cute, cute. I'll probably end up putting an egg in here, and then maybe another egg and rabbit in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and start to place my pieces now that I kind of have an idea of where I want them. And we're just going to put the egg over there. Very cool. I'm going to put this, I can't wait to see this guy. Love, love, love this. Such a fun arrangement. And so, oh yeah, and here's a tip. Keep your glue sticks nice and handy because you're going to need some glue sticks. Got lots of pieces to glue on. And so there's my other little bunny. And to break up the color here, I'm just gonna add another egg. And I think it looks really cool when it's just really nice and thick. I don't think you could do too many. It just really adds a lot of personality to the piece. And let's get, ooh, this, ooh. soon as I saw these, I fell in love and thought, oh my goodness, how much fun would this be for my table, for my dinner? Okay, and then you'll just continue to do that. You want to go around the back and just put some pieces. Let's see, what could we do? Oh, we have a green chick. We have a green. It matches my AdTech Essential Liberty Bestie, my glue gun. All right, so we'll put him in the back. So adorable. What else can we do? Let's see, do we have, oh, we haven't used this color yarn egg yet. So we'll go ahead and we can put that in here. And then let's just see, we might have enough. We might have enough. I think we do. All right, perfect. So remember when I told you that you could go around the entire edge with your shred, or that it wasn't really a deal breaker if you didn't. This example right here, I not only went over, I went back with the scissors, trimmed it up, gave it a haircut, so to speak. And really, it's your choice. I think it works either way. And then, of course, you just want to add your little treats. I have some candies, but if you have something else to put in, you can certainly do that. I know the kiddos are going to love this project. And isn't it wonderful that AdTech makes it so easy for us? I love my bestie, my Essential Liberty glue gun. And they're all ready for your table. Really fun project, quick and easy, and so much brightness and pizzazz.